Mauricio Pochettino, the new coach of the U.S. men's national soccer team, is aiming high for the 2026 World Cup. Known for his high-profile stints with Chelsea, Tottenham Hotspur, and Paris Saint-Germain, Pochettino is a beacon of hope for turning the team's fortunes around. Following the disappointing tenure of Gregg Berhalter, which saw the U.S. fail to advance in the Copa America on home soil, Pochettino's appointment has generated significant buzz. Poch, as he is universally known, brings a competitive spirit and a wealth of experience, having taken Tottenham to their first UEFA Champions League final and securing multiple titles with PSG. Speaking to CNN Sport, Pochettino emphasized the need to instill a competitive mentality in his players. In the last two games, the team played but didn't compete, he said, stressing that competing at the highest level is key to success. His focus is on transforming the team's mentality and tapping into their potential, particularly with talents like Christian Pulisic, Weston McKennie, and Giovanni Reyna. Pulisic, who is arguably the only world-class player on the current roster, expressed his frustration after a recent 1-1 draw against New Zealand. "There's a lot of things that need to change," Pulisic said, highlighting the need for a shift in mentality and culture within the squad. Pochettino was empathetic, acknowledging the captain's feelings and promising to foster a more unified and competitive team environment. The Argentine will officially take charge in October, with friendlies against Panama and Mexico lined up. His ultimate goal is clear: to lead the U.S. to a successful run in the 2026 World Cup, a tournament co-hosted by Canada and Mexico. "To be involved is a dream come true," Pochettino said, reflecting on his own experience as a player in the 2002 World Cup. With many USMNT players plying their trade in Europe's top leagues, Pochettino's experience in European football will be invaluable. He plans to base himself between Europe and the USA, ensuring he stays close to his players and the competitive environment they are accustomed to. Pochettino draws inspiration from the U.S. women's national team, especially their coach Emma Hayes, whom he describes as the best coach in the world.